What's going on, everybody? My name is Randell Ray. Welcome back to the channel, and on this episode I'm going to show you how to make this biting lip sign. It's pretty simple. I recently got a scroll saw, so I've been kind of trying to explore and learn a few new things, and that's just what we did on this project. So stay tuned and let me know what you guys think at the end. Alright guys, before I show you the final results, I just want to go ahead and jump on and discuss a few things that I learned along the way. This is my third product with the scroll saw, and I am extremely excited with the possibilities. This is a completely new sign to me. I say completely new. I did do something similar in the past, but I did all of this with a jigsaw, so it is not very accurate. It was kind of a huge pain in the ass to be able to do everything properly without breaking some of the more fragile pieces. So with the scroll saw, that's going to open up a million possibilities for me, and I can't wait to see where it goes. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you don't already, make sure you subscribe. I try to put out videos regularly. I'm getting back in that habit, so stay tuned. Also, if you guys don't know already, I am putting out a Batman logo video as well, another piece that I made partially on the scroll saw, so check that out. I'll leave that in the cards above. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys.